Hey, good morning, guys. You guys are welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, this is very early morning. Like I think it's yeah, almost 9. So I got a package that just came in. So I decided to do the unboxing with you guys. So it is a shoe rack. So in my room, all my shoes, my shoe dress shoes are just littering on the floor. Even on top my wardrobe, there are a lot of shoes there. So I decided to get, a shoe organizer so everything will look more proper. So guys, before we get right into the video, to all my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. And if you come across this video and you are not yet my subscriber, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So let's get right into the video. This is what I'm talking about. You guys can see the floor. We have a lot of shoes. You can see shoes everywhere. Look up, you will see some shoes up here, see some shoes up here too, see up here too. We have a lot of shoes in this house. You can even see these ones are for my my new baby that I just got. You can see it here. So that's the reason why I got her this shoe organizer. You guys should just sorry for the background. I had to unbox it on my bed. So my son just got me a knife. You guys should just, I got it in, you can see, gray color. I can't actually wait for my husband. I'm just excited to start using this thing. So I already started doing it, myself. I started doing it myself, one after the other. So the process is actually, very, very easy. So guys, I actually forget, and this I'm almost through with it. I have to be putting this one step. Now I have to bring everything down again and start all over. Oh my god, this is stressful. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm supposed to be putting this. So this is where the shoe is gonna stand on. But I just made a mistake, a huge one. So I just have to start doing it one after the other now. So guys, so far so good. I'm through with it. You guys can see. You can see it's very big. This is 10 step. And this is the remaining thing. This is the leg. I just have to put in. After I'll put this cloth. That cloth that is on the floor there. So guys, I'm using this medium. I always give you guys motivation. There is nothing you can't do as a woman. Don't think because I'm a woman I can't do it. This thing, when I received this one, I was like, I'll just leave it till my husband come back before he will come and help me to do it. But unfortunately, I just decided to try. There's no harm in trying. So it is when I discover that it's something I can even do myself. You guys can see now. Assuming I'm still waiting for my husband, will all this thing do by itself rather, sorry. So guys, let's be motivated. There is nothing we can do, and even if you are a woman, what a man can do, a woman can do better. So guys, thank you guys so much. I'll be doing a short video. I'll be joining it to this, so guys can see the finishing look and all the shoes that are inside. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Be cool. You people should subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye bye. My baby saying, I say bye bye to them. Bye bye. I don't know. Do you guys still remember this shoe? This one that I did. You guys, we women, we like just packing and packing shoe. This shoe, I only wore it during my second son's first birthday. Since then, I haven't put it on. You can see, these are my son's shoe. Sometimes I do buy, you know, same type of shoe for them. So you can see. Yeah. Although I'm not through with it, so